計啦，好 sleek，好好揸，好精緻，好 high quality，同埋佢好簡單啊！你撳一個掣咧，開咗之後咧，就已經好容易可以上手啦。
係啊，冇錯啊！我哋呢一個嘅設計流線型咧，就係、
就算一人晚餐，一人望海，我會習慣。兩人座駕中沒旁人，我懂欣賞孤與單。就算深宵失眠，寂寞彌漫，有些冰冷，尋到心中所愛，從未多心想再。
I bless everyone to be able to find that, and today Telescene is the best so far for me. And I feel like I think every woman or every human being deserves a time to pamper themselves and to find peace when doing it. So I hope everyone tries this new product.
Thank you.
小心，你而家係啊！你有嗰條路先。
I'm so excited to be on board, and like I tried the new product and I absolutely love it. So I'm so excited to share with everyone.
Thank you，多謝 Linda， 哇，好開心，我哋今日可以邀請到 Linda 嚟到同我哋傾下偈啦。我哋啱啱咧就係睇到啦，見到我哋嘅 Telescene Y Pro 系列啦，有冇可以同我哋分享一下咧？見到摸到我哋呢個最新系列有一個乜嘢嘅 first impression 咧 ？So what do you think about our Telescene Y Pro series？
其實我第一個感覺咧就係好驚喜嘅，因為佢好輕，同埋佢嗰個設計咧係流線型嘅設計啦，好 sleek，好好揸，好精緻，好 high quality，同埋佢好簡單啊！你撳一個掣咧，開咗之後咧，就已經好容易可以上手啦。
係啊，冇錯啊！我哋呢一個嘅設計流線型咧，就係非常之簡單嘅一個用法嚟嘅。咁我知道 Linda 平時非常之忙嘅，又要拍戲啦，又要出席好多公開活動啦，又要飛嚟飛去啦。咁其實我相信現場都